well as a teacher. Okay. I have been in this field, in teaching field for last 22 years. Okay. I have taught many students as well as I have conducted workshops for teachers. Okay. So today I came to this school for just telling you that how you should study English and to check what is your level of English and to give you some sort of idea that how should you improve that. Okay. Let's start. First of all, tell me that English is the subject or a language? Language. Maths is a subject or language? Subject. And science? Subject. And computers? And Hindi? Hindi is a subject or language? Why Hindi is a subject or language? Why Hindi is a language? Because we can talk in Hindi. Can you talk in science? Can you talk in maths? Only English is comfortable or Hindi? Both? Okay. So we cannot talk in science, we cannot talk in maths. So that's why they are subject. Alright? But we can talk in Hindi. So which language do you speak at home? Dogri or Punjabi or Hindi? Am I right? Can you talk in English at home? Okay, in your school, but in which language does your teacher teaches you? In which language you are being taught? कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आपको मैम टीचर पढ़ाते हैं? हिंदी. Okay, so do you speak English with your friends in school? आप अपने स्कूल में फ्रेंड के साथ इंग्लिश बोलते हो? बोलते हो? टीचर्स के साथ? टीचर के साथ बोलते हो? So we can speak English in the similar way we can speak Hindi. Okay? If we can express ourselves in Hindi, we can speak in English as well. इसका मतलब है हम इंग्लिश में भी बात कर सकते हैं. Understand?
Yes, sir.
For that, we must know how to speak English. Okay? So how to speak English? The first thing is that we can learn any language in two ways. First, by the environment, and second, by the teachers or trainers. ठीक है? First, environment. Okay, tell me, when some kulcha wala come in your school, so in which language do you talk to him? जब आप kulcha wala school में आते हैं, किसमें बात करते हो? हिंदी में. Okay. So, if he has not gone to school, there are so many people in your village. वो सारे लोग होंगे, वो स्कूलिंग के, क्या वो हिंदी, क्या वो बात कर सकते हैं? बात करते हैं ना? किसमें करते हैं? हिंदी में. तो कहाँ से सीखी उन्होंने हिंदी? They have not gone to school. How did they learn Hindi? From environment. कहाँ से सीखी? By talking daily. Since their childhood they have been talking. बचपन से वो बात कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, को वहाँ से उनको हिंदी आ गई. Okay, so tell me, you can learn English by this way also. But for that, in your home or in your village, all must speak English. आपको इसके लिए आपके सबको इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ेगी. आपके रिलेटिव्स को घर में, इवन स्कूल में भी. अगर स्कूल में सब इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, आप भी बोलते हैं, फिर भी 60% वर्क विल बी डन ओवर देयर. 60% आपको आएगी, 40% देन आल्सो इट रिमेन बी हियर. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड? सो ये इंट्रोडक्शन है इंग्लिश की. एक तो हो गया आपका एनवायरनमेंट, और दूसरा हो गया द टीचर सिखाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो हाउ कैन यू लर्न फ्रॉम टीचर? दिस इज द एनवायरनमेंट. एनवायरनमेंट हो गया. ठीक है? तो फ्रॉम टुडे स्पीक इंग्लिश विद ईच अदर. ठीक है? व्हेन यू विल स्पीक इंग्लिश विद ईच अदर, if your question will be, sir, I don't know how to speak, but you are student, you study science in English, you have all the subjects in English except Hindi. हिंदी को छोड़ के सारे सब्जेक्ट किसमें? इंग्लिश में. It means you read so many chapters in English. पढ़ते हो ना? Your teachers speak daily lot of English. Am I right? So due to that you can speak. If you will start speaking, automatically you will understand how to speak. अगर आप बोलना शुरू कर दोगे ना, फर्स्टली यू विल स्पीक रॉन्ग और इनकरेक्ट. आफ्टर सम टाइम इट विल गेट करेक्ट. ठीक है? ये दूसरा. अब तीसरा, फ्रॉम स्टडी. ठीक है? सो फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज टेंसेस. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर? टेंसेस. टेंसेस आर द मोस्ट, टेंसेस आर द बैकबोन. अब बैकबोन क्या होता है? अंडरस्टैंड टेंसेस. ठीक है, टेंसेस हम